Hey, hi everyone. In this video, we will see what is there in Databricks Free Edition. I think as part of the Summit 2025, they created something known as Databricks Free Edition, which is an extension of the Databricks Community Edition. So I have just recording a live video where I will try to explore what is there in this free edition. So once you click on sign up, it will ask for your mail ID. You can give a mail ID. Then it creates a account for you, and as per the documentation you don't have access to the account console, but you can do whatever you can do with a particular workspace, and you will be an admin, and you can also add your team members to it. So by default it comes with serverless SQL warehouse, and I could see there is a Genie dashboard. So whoever is basically, I think this was one of my plans to host some videos on Genie, but I think Genie is earlier available only for paid workspaces. I think now it is free, so you can just say show me all the products. So they have tied it to a sample database, so you could see the Databricks Genie, which is getting executed now, and you can ask it to visualize. So this is cool. So they have Genie embedded like at free of cost, and we can also explore. So then we have a dashboard. So this is the ABA dashboard. So this ABA dashboard comes with predefined data set, and if you can see, you can edit this and then make it like test page or test tab. And yeah, I think it is taking some time to load. You can publish your dashboard. So once you click on publish, you can enable the Genie. So here you go. We have a dashboard which is published out of the box. So technically, I think you can do anything what you do in the normal workspace. You can do it here. So let us try to edit the ABA dashboard. So let's add some visualization. So let's place it somewhere here, and let us use assistant to create. Let us use this one. We are using GenAI to see. So it is basically getting the tags. I think it is accepting. We can quickly create some dashboards. So let's see the data tab. Let's see what all data they have added to it. So they have some dummy data which they're using the billing dashboards. So let's get some queries on billing. Give me, let us clone this one, clone, and then paste it here, and let us ask, give me the billing usage monthly graph. Let's see what is happening. Okay, I think there is some error. Billing usage. Maybe probably it doesn't have the data. Here you go. So we have some tags, we have some spendings. I think this is cool. We could do whatever we do with the proper paid edition. We can do it with the community edition. And the key thing is, which I was surprised, is workflow. So it allows you to even create a DLT pipeline. So DLT, which was fully like under their paid version, I think they are open source. This is a very good move from Databricks. Like we could see now, we could easily adapt, or we can try out DLT pipeline. So when I click on creating a sample pipeline, it created a sample pipeline, and then it created those codes here, and I was able to execute the codes. And the other thing is, I think we can also create a workflow. We can create an Databricks apps. Let us create a Databricks app. So let's create an app. Let us create a basic data app, and let us use the serverless. Let us use this and a basic app. Let's see. So here you go. So you have a basic data app which is created for you. So it creates an app. So it uses the Dash framework. So I think it is taking some time to deploy. Let's see. And meanwhile, the other key thing is it comes with the Databricks Playground. So you can ask. I think it should you should be able to use the models out of the box. I think it is giving the llama models, and you have even the 405 billion llama model. And so let's say generate sample data or sentiment analysis for hotel. Okay, so it is generating some decent amount of data. It is generating some reviews. It's very good. And yes, so let's extend this one. Let us go to our Explore notebook and let us ask some code. Give me sample list list all databases under my catalog. Let's see. So let us accept. Let us fire it. Okay, I think there is some issue with the compute. Let's attach the serverless. There is some problem. That's fine. Let us connect towards serverless. Warehouse. Okay. So it is giving me the databases which having access to, and there is a sample database. I can query, copy schema path. You can use this, or you can use this is cool. Click on this. You can do SQL queries, and you can select limit 100 rows. Here you go. So you have a code which will generate sample 100 rows. Now let's use some GenAI functions. So GenAI. So let's try this one. Let's use the gen function which generates some answers. So let us try. Okay, I think it needs to switch to SQL. Let us change the default to SQL so that it's all SQL here. Here we go. So, and I believe we can also use the Databricks SDK here. Here I have created a access token, and then once you have the access token, we can use the Databricks SDK. For connecting to Databricks SDK, you can go to this site, dev.databricks.com, and then SDK. And for us to connect with the Databricks SDK or any other Databricks applications, you need something known as a Databricks config file. So you can go to this configuration file. So as shown here, you have to create a file known as Databricks config. So it should be under your user folder. So I have created it under my user folder, right? And let me copy the URL. So similarly, you can copy and then you can paste your host and the token which you have generated. So for generating a new token, you can use this. And once this is done, then we will basically, yeah. So we have configured the Databricks config file for SDK to work upon from your local. So I have used a VS Code. So I have created a VS Code notebook. So let us try to install the Databricks SDK. And once it is installed, we use the workspace client. Let us authenticate the client. Now let us list few of the classes here. Let us get let us get the clusters dot list. I think we don't have any cluster. Probably we'll go to warehouses dot list, and you can print for client and list or warehouse, and let us print wh dot name. Let us print this one. Here you go. So we have, let us use the database SDK. There is no way for us to create a normal compute. Or let me see. So we have a serverless warehouse, but we don't have any way to compute, create normal compute. That is a problem. But yeah, that's fine. So to summarize, you have all the things which you will do with a production ready cluster. You have options to create workflow, options to create DLT pipelines, and then you have options to use Genie, options to use a dashboard. Uh, then the GenAI models, you have options for the various models which is there. So yeah, so that's all I have this for this video. I just want to show you the various options which are there and how to leverage this one effectively. So I think we can do some videos on Databricks apps. So let's see whether the app is ready meanwhile. So let us see if the app is ready. Yeah, here you go. So you have a basic data app. You can also create your apps. I think it is taking some time to load. So you can create Streamlit app or all such apps using Databricks Free Edition. And see, so this is just a normal app which does some prediction. It's a basic app. So yeah, pretty much good. So that's all I had. Thanks for your time.